Today, 29th July. Today, we learn the subject EVS. Last time, we take second chapter, parts of my body. In this chapter, we take the parts of body point, in which we learn about the different parts of our body. Today we start from page number 14. We use our hands to write, clap and hold things. Here the pictures are given. First, write. Using hands we can write. Second picture is clap. The boy is clapping using his hands. Third picture is hold. The girl is holding the bag using her hands. So students, our hand is used to write, clap and hold things. Then here we use our legs to stand, run, walk, jump, skip and kick things. Here the boy is stand using his legs. The boy is run using his legs. The girl is walk using legs. As well as jump, skip and kick ball. These all activities are doing with using your legs. So students, our legs is used to stand, run, walk, jump, skip and kick things. Then on page number 15, our sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to know the world around us. We have 2 eyes. Our eyes help us to see. We have 2 ears. Our ears help us to hear sound. We have 1 nose. Our nose help us to smell. We have 1 tongue. Our tongue help us to taste something. We have skin all over our body. Our skin help us to feel something. Here the pictures are given. The boy is see something using his eyes. Then second picture, the boy is listening music or some audio using his ears. The girl is smelling the flower using her nose. The boy is eat or taste the ice cream using his tongue. The girl is feel the toy using with her skin. On page number 16, quick sum up is given. In this, there are many parts in our body. Each part has a different name. We use our hands and legs to do many activities. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our sense organs. Our sense organs help us to know the world around us. Student, after this, glossary is given there. Here, chalk. CHEW, to bite and break food into small pieces with our teeth. Then second, sour. Sour means lemon like taste. And senses. Senses means see, smell, hear, taste and touch. Then adult. Adult means a grown person. Then student, after this, here mind map is given. Here the boys with football picture is given. See this picture. Here one nose to smell, two eyes to see, two ears to hear, one mouth is teeth to chaw and tongue to taste. Two hands is used to write, clap, throw and pick something. Then two legs to walk, run, kick and jump. So students, in your notebook, you draw the picture and make a mind map. On page number 17, what you have learned? Question A. Answer the following questions. First question is, write 3 activities you do with your hands. So students, you write this question in your notebook, EVS notebook, and write their answer. So what activities we are doing with our hands? Clapping, hold something, writing, etc. So you should write the answer in your notebook. As second question, write 3 activities you do with your legs. So you write answer of this question in your notebook, and also the answer of question number 3 in your notebook. Then question number B. How many of each body part do you have? Write the number in the boxes. So students, here the name of some body parts are given. You should write the number. That means how many feet you have, how many nose you have. So you have 2 feet. So you write here the number 2. You have 1 nose. So you write here number 1. You have 2 hands. So you write here number 2. You have 1 tongue. So you write here number 1. How many fingers you have? So students, you have 20 fingers, 10 hand fingers and 10 foot fingers. So you write here the number 20. First question, which activity do you do with your hands? So students, you tick the correct answer. Writing, speaking or singing. So which activity do you do with your hands? Writing. So you tick the writing. Then second, which activity do you do with your legs? Clapping, eating or running. So which activity do you with your legs? Running. So you tick the running. Then third, you have hair on the, so the question, options are stomach, neck, head. We have hair on the head. So you tick here, head. 4 is, what does our nose do for us? Tastes food, smells things, hears sound. So what does our nose do? Smells things. So you tick here. After this, say this poem aloud. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, 1 little nose, 2 little ears, 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 2 little lips to kiss your mummy good night, and 2 little lips to kiss your mummy good night. Students, you say this poem aloud. Students, here, when you swim or ride a bicycle, you need your hands and feet. Think of some more activities where you use your hands and feet. So students, on page number 9, you write here the name of activities which are doing with the help of hands and your feet. So the activities are swimming, bicycle, dancing or playing games. These all activities are doing with the help of hands and feet. So students, you write this answer in your notebook also. Then paste the stickers of the sense organs to show their function. So students, here the 5 questions are given and you paste the correct stickers of sense organs in these blocks. The stickers are given in the back side of your textbook. So first is the help us to see things around us. So students, you stick here the sticker of eyes which is given back side of this textbook, and also you stick the other remaining stickers correct at the correct position of these questions. So students, okay.